so swagger looking.
How low can you go?
Oh, pretty low.
Back is the incredible rhyme animal, the unhittable. Now they got me in the cell, cause my records they sell. Cause I like back all in, we're gonna win. Check it out. Yeah, yo, come on. Here we go again.
Bring the noise! Hey everybody, welcome to episode number 8. 8, yeah. 8. We're gonna start off by introducing to you our drinks of the evening. I will be drinking. Oh, it's cold. Anyway, Bacardi Oak Heart spiced rum. Oak Heart, nigga. Starting off with a little classic shock top Belgian white. Then I'll be continuing on to a Tolly of Coors Light. Flavor. Syrup. Flavor. He's saying syrup. We're going to bust into our first segment here called TWOT, T-W-O-T. It stands for Tweet of Today. Nick, go ahead and share what's going on. At Wonka. Okay. Men think about sex every 7 seconds, which is why I eat hot dogs in under 6 seconds, so it doesn't get weird. Here's me eating a whole hot dog bun in under 6 seconds. What a day brightener. I'm never going to swallow that. That was really hard to do. What a day brightener. Challenge accepted. Who para gasolina? Everybody gasolina. Just a little melody. Just to watch a melody. Melody. Here come the current events. Wednesday of this week, which was September 5th, a bank manager was kidnapped and forced to rob a Los Angeles bank. Wow. The manager was strapped with what appeared to be a pipe bomb. She was to take out money for 2 thieves, both of which got away. Authorities declined to say how much was stolen, so we're led to believe it's in the billions. Bitch got some cheese! Cheddar for days! Nigga, bring me them nachos. Mike! Yeah! Tell me other things. ABC News reported that an angry ex-girlfriend triggered a U.S. airway bomb hoax. That's something I can relate to, huh, Nick? You have crazy ex-girlfriends. Luckily, none of them have put a bomb in my butt. Or in an airplane. They do egg my house, though. Who egged your house? KH. Hostensky. I need to drink more of this. Okay, here we go. Because otherwise, I won't be drunk. A bomb hoax in Philadelphia turned a Dallas-bound flight around, leading to a full-scale SWAT response. All because this bitch be cray. The threat was triggered by a spiteful ex-girlfriend who called authorities claiming that her former boyfriend, Christopher Schell, was aboard the flight armed with liquid explosives, which obviously he was not. Unlike you, Mike, he doesn't carry around 20 ounces of lubricant. Alright. Bomb techs, cops, FBI agents, and K-9 dogs were called and conducted a full and thorough search. Both Christopher and his ex are in custody, but no charges have been brought against anyone yet. But you can rest assured knowing that there will be federal charges in the near future, probably against the ex-girlfriend. Why are bitches crazy? Bitch, why you cray? Which leads us to the Q. The Q. The Q. As you would know if you watched any of our most recent episodes, the Q is the new segment we added in, kind of replaced with Drink of the Day. It's kind of where we ask a question to the audience and want to hear everyone's feedback. Basically, get to learn a bit about everybody that watches it. Shaking. Beer's gone, hat's gone. Woo! Daddy, would you like some chocolates? Daddy, would you like some cheese? Today's question comes from the username. There is no one. The question is, what is your favorite color? Michael. Yes. What's your favorite color? By God, Nick, my favorite color is blue. What color? Blue. What color? Blue. Blue. Blue.
I spit on my keyboard. I spit on my keyboard. I spit on my keyboard. I spit. I spit. I spit. I spit. I spit. 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 Spit.
QWERTY!
QWERTY on my keyboard. I spit on my keyboard. I spit on my keyboard. I spit on my keyboard. I fucking spit. Fucking spit. Fucking spit. I spit.
On his keyboard.
On my keyboard.
Mike!
Yeah.
What else is blue?
I don't know, Nick. The ocean, the sky, and seagulls that you throw a paint can at of blue. Preferably jazz blue. Nick!
What?
Hey.
Oh,
How's it going?
hi. Hello.
Great. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is the color of green. You got blue titties.
Blue titty.
Blue titties.
Hey, Nick!
What do you want?
What's your favorite color?
Green.
Wow! Nick, what things are green?
Money and hose.
Hose are in green, Nick.
Hose can be green.
Hey, Nick, what else is green?
Post-it notes.
Money.
And hose.
Dick, bouncing on my dick.
Bouncing on my wiener.
Right, drink.
No, I'm not ready. And it goes a little something like this. Titties. And titties. Titties. And titties. And titties and titties.
Anal penetration.
Ugh.